before anybody gets on here and says something stupid, my client actually wanted me to run his car through the car wash. I offered to hand wash my client's car. He insisted that I use his monthly pass. It's a lease. It's not coated. I'm not stripping anything. I'm gonna be polishing and waxing it anyway. So yeah, you know how it is. I'm not here to bash anybody's business, but if you're paying your hard-earned money, don't you want your car to be clean when you go through the car wash? Like, I don't get it. Pay $40 for a wash, or pay somebody like me who cares to come clean it. You pick. All of this that wasn't touched by the car wash is now clean. All under here is all clean. Cannot stress that enough. That is the difference between a car wash and a detail. If your detailer's not doing that, they're not a detailer.